Hi there, for this little video we are going to be reviewing procedural text. Now I know we've gone over this a couple of times, so this would be just a quick little review. Procedural text tell how to do or make something. The text or story is usually set up with steps to follow. These steps need to be followed in chronological order. Say that word with me, chronological order. Remember, chronological order is you're doing something in order, right? So the first step, then you go to the second step, then the third step, then the fourth step. You don't go out of order, you stay in order, okay? So some examples of procedural text are recipes like sugar cookies, pumpkin pie, how-to books like How to Babysit a Grandpa, and that one's for fun. But we also read some books last week. We read Handmade, where we learned the different steps for different art projects, or How to Grow a Taco, where you learn the steps on how to make a tortilla or how to grow certain vegetables. Instructions for playing games, like this example of Uno, or maybe directions on how to put something together, right? So that's what procedural text is. But when we think of procedural text, we also come across some key words you may find in procedural text. So a good clue that you are looking at something that's procedural text, you're going to see these words: first, next, then, last. Instead of last, you might read lastly or finally, or you might see these words: first, second, third, fourth, or you might see just the numbers. Instead of the word first, you might see a 1, or a 2 for second, or a 3 for third, or a 4 for fourth. Okay? So remember, why is it important we know about procedural text? Well, it is important that we know about procedural text because you may see them in your everyday life. For example, you may see them in the books you read or the read-alouds we read together, directions for an assignment, or how to tie your shoes, or maybe how to plant some seeds to grow a little plant, right? So there's so many different things that you use procedural text for, or you may see them in your everyday life. So remember, procedural text. Procedural text tell how to do or make something. The text or story is usually set up with steps to follow. These steps need to be followed in chronological order. Remember, first, second, third, fourth. Don't go out of order. Stay in order. Okay, hope you like this little review.